Hi, my name is Bernie Clairmont. I'm a technical marketing engineer here at Cisco ThousandEyes, and today we're going to talk about the Cisco AI Assistant for ThousandEyes. When you first log into ThousandEyes, you'll see a dashboard, and up here is where the Cisco AI Assistant is. You click on that simply to have a pop out, and it will give you a list of things that you can do associated with it, with some prompts that will help guide you along that experience. It's designed to use just natural language to ask the AI Assistant different questions. I'd previously asked it a few things, so let's just pop in and see. I asked, hey, can you help me? What can you help me troubleshoot with? And so the AI Assistant went through and it processed that, and it can help you with issue detection and analysis. So how do you analyze different active or historical events, check for outages, things like that. Also look at test performance. So look at the different tests and see what tests are having issues. You also have agent health. So things to look at your different agents. Are there issues with agents you have deployed, as well as analyze your alert rules and do some different health check operations. You can also say there'll be different prompts that'll show up down here. So in this case, I used one that was, hey, what issues have been detected in the last 24 hours? It went through and looked through the entire platform, looked at the alerts and sorted those by critical, major, minor, and info, and then also gave me the list of the most critical alerts that recently occurred, and then did the extra analysis looking through Internet Insights to analyze different outages that occurred over the last 24 hours, and also did the event detection analysis. So we have a product called Event Detection that goes through and looks at events in your systems through your tests and helps analyze and find reoccurring issues, or if there's things that are correlated together, and here it found those related issues. We're going to pop over and I'll show you how to use this for a particular test. But basically, as you can see, the AI Assistant has a lot of different powerful tools associated with it that can help you do the analysis in your platform just with simple natural language. So here I've navigated over to one of my tests that's running to this Gidia process, and I've popped up the different metrics. So ThousandEyes takes a very layered approach. As you can see, there was an availability issue that occurred here. If I click into that issue, I can see down below that there was a connect issue from a lot of different locations across the US. Now, what we can do with ThousandEyes and the Cisco AI Assistant is I can use this explain selection button. And so it'll go through and it'll take a look at that point in time and then analyze each one of the different layers and come back with an explanation. Now, obviously I clicked on a time period where everything was good, so it should come back and say things were pretty good, but it will point out different things where, hey, this particular location was slower than others, things like that. But what you can do is you end up with, after the analysis and the fault domain occurs, you can say compare this with a previous round or with the next round or explain before the event. So we'll go ahead and have it compare this to the next round to do the analysis to see where there's issues and what those problems are, and help us isolate that problem. So this helps you rapidly troubleshoot issues in your environment, looking through all the layers without having to click on a lot of different things. Obviously it already created this view associated with this so you can see this problem, but let's see what the analysis comes back. The AI Assistant's gone through, it's completed that analysis. It shows, hey, there was an availability drop. I had connect problems. I also had network issues here that increased, and the page load completion. And down below it does that connection failures. It says these are my successful agents, and it says there was network packet loss that increased. But really, the main thing is that it saw this correlated and was preventing the 24 agents experienced connection errors, preventing successful page load. So as we can see, this really isn't a network issue, even though there was some minor packet loss that occurred in Atlanta. But really, the event is an application issue that I could hand over to my apps team. With that, you can see that, hey, the AI Assistant is really super powerful and can help you out a lot. Feel free to poke around in it, use the prompts that are built in, or go ahead and ask it questions. It will come back and help you troubleshoot your environment.